So far, the situation is under control in Katsina, and I believe in most part of Northwest. But it is not over until it is over.
Presido Buhari don follow Katsina State Governor do meeting on top the security situation for im state. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don do meeting with Katsina State Governor Aminu Bello Masari and the meeting Shele for State House Abuja on the 5th of August 2020. For the meeting wey last for over 40 minutes, dem discuss the security operations wey dey go on for Katsina State and dem suggest how to move the state forward.
The hope is that the military, including the police and other security agencies, have been given a marching order to control the situation by all means. With the current operation going on, I am sure before the end of this rainy season, people can go back to normal life. It's a task that must be done.
Governor Masari wey follow tori pipo tok, yarn say the government no fit allow the kind katakata wey dey shele for northeast still happen for northwest region.
The people living in the rural communities will testify that yes, no situation is impossible, especially to a willing and determined mind. So I do believe that we can conquer these bandits, get the land back in total peace. Then state governments and local governments will now move in, especially in the area of education, then access, then water supply, then their means of livelihood, which mainly agriculture and livestock.
He used the opportunity to take jollificate with Presido Buhari on behalf of Katsina State people until the peaceful celebration of Eid el-Kabir, even as this yamayama disease dey waka for Naija. This na the sharp informate wey bring come for una on top with tori for today, as Presido Buhari don follow Katsina State Governor do meeting and dem discuss the security situation for im state. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Aisosa Osanyente.